हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एडुटैप। आई एम तनुश्री। तो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि नबार्ड ग्रेड ए का फेज़ 1 एग्ज़ाम जो है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है और अब बारी आती है फेज़ 2 एग्ज़ाम की। स्टूडेंट्स, फेज़ 2 एग्ज़ाम जो है वो 25 ऑफ जनवरी को शेड्यूल्ड है। टाइम बहुत कम रह गया है। अगर आप एक ऐसे एस्पिरेंट है जिसको अपनी फेज़ 1 के एग्ज़ाम एनालिसिस के बाद, आंसर के एनालिसिस के बाद ये लगता है कि दे आर इन दैट रेंज ऑफ क्लियरिंग द फेज़ 1 एग्ज़ाम, सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम यू शुड स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर फेज़ 2. And if you have not done any preparation for phase 2 till now, then we are launching the NABARD Grade A 2025 phase 2 live plus recorded crash course. So students, as part of this crash course, you are going to get both the recorded classes and the live classes. Now, as part of these live classes, basically, um, all the concepts, all the important concepts, be it of ARD, be it of ESI or your descriptive English, all the concepts will be cleared. But in case of ARD and ESI, we are going to conduct it in the MCQ form. Now, why we are conducting it in MCQ form is because most of the things you have already covered for your phase 1 exam. The syllabus for ARD and ESI, as far as the phase 1 and phase 2 exams are concerned, it is exactly the same, right? So the conceptual clarity is something you have already received through your phase 1 exam. Now in the phase 2, we are just going to revise the concepts through the MCQs. We are going to understand the concepts through the MCQs, right? And that is why we are taking the MCQ part, so that you can give more of your attention to the descriptive English, to the descriptive writing part, and to cover other things, right? And at the same time, these MCQs will help you in remain in touch with the concepts that you have already prepared for your phase 2 exam. But if you are somebody who has not covered the concepts in such a great detail for the phase 1, here we are providing you the live classes also. So if you sorry, the recorded classes also. So the recorded classes are of the phase 1 crash course. So in that crash course, we explain each and everything in great detail. Each and every concept was explained in detail. So if you want to get the conceptual clarity, you can refer to the recorded classes. But if you are someone who has prepared everything in a good enough manner for your phase 1 exam, then you can directly refer to the live classes of the phase 2, right? So in this manner, we are going to provide you the live classes, and here is the schedule as you can see it, right? So from 22nd of December, on 22nd of December, we have the orientation class, and after that, from 23rd of December till your 23rd of January, we are going to conduct the classes. Apart from that, as you can see, here is the schedule for the recorded classes also, right? So what all topics are we going to explain in those recorded classes, that has also been provided to you as part of this particular schedule. So this is the first feature of this live crash course, that we are going to provide you the live plus the recorded classes, right? Apart from that, students, there is the descriptive English part. As part of the descriptive English, let me show you. So in the descriptive English, you are going to get the content, right? How to write, that part is covered in the live classes. But apart from that, the fodder material, the solved previous year question, that has been provided to you over here. Apart from that, the static topics for the essay writing and the fodder material for the essay, that has also been provided to you as part of this descriptive English component, right? So all the technicalities, how to write a good essay, how to write a good précis, that is covered in the descriptive writing live classes, and the practice fodder material, that has been covered over here in this particular component. Now if I talk about the ARD, so for ARD, for every single chapter, you are going to get the summary sheets, which will help you in the conceptual clarity, so that you can get the good idea of the static topic. For the last minute revision, we are providing you the mind maps, and most importantly, for your descriptive writing of phase 2, we are providing you the descriptive model question and answer document. This is downloadable. You can simply click on this attachment and you can download it like this. And as part of this, let me show you. First of all, you are going to get the fodder material, and after that, you are going to get the model questions and answers, right? So this is what this document looks like. So first of all, as you can see here, this is the fodder material that you will require, and after that you will get the questions and answers also, right? So here all the important data, examples, facts, reports, that has been covered over here. And from here, as you can see, that the model questions and answers, they will be provided to you. So for every chapter, you can do the practice as far as the descriptive part is concerned. So these are going to be the deliverables, and then the solved previous year questions are going to be provided to you, and the quiz, so that you can practice for your for the objective part of your paper 2, we have provided you the chapter wise quiz also. So all these deliverables, they will ensure that each and every chapter of yours is prepared in the best possible manner for your objective part also, for your descriptive part also, right? So all these are going to be the deliverables, and these deliverables are same for every single chapter, right? So everything that has been written in your syllabus, that will be prepared in a good enough manner using this using these areas. And then we have the same deliverables for the ESI also. So for the ESI also, for every chapter you are going to get the summary sheets, the mind maps, the descriptive model question and answers, solved previous year questions, and the quiz, right? Then we have the current affairs also. So as part of the current affairs, you are going to get the current affair magazines, right, of last 1 year. So here all the magazines and their respective quizzes, they have been provided to you, right? And all of this is downloadable, right? So you can download the quiz, you can download the magazine also, right? Then students, apart from that, we have the full length mock tests also. So you have no, you need not to buy any other test series apart from this crash course. Test series is a part of that. So here you are going to get the 10 full length mock test. As part of these full length mock tests, there are going to be 5 tests for the descriptive English and 5 tests for the ESI and ARD part. And in the ESI and ARD, we are going to cover both the objective part as well as the descriptive part, right? So in total, there are 10 full length mock tests as well, right? Now students, apart from that, it for any exam that you are preparing, it is very important that you have the previous year papers and their analysis also. So that component has also been included in this particular course. And now students, the best part about EduTap is that we never believe in, sale and forget policy. Here, if you face any doubt, if you face any issue, you can reach out to us anytime. So there are three ways. The first way is the the discussion forum. Let me show you how that works. So if you like, if you face difficulty in any chapter or any issue, so for example, you have referred to the RBI, this news tab, then if you will go downward, like if you scroll here, so this is the lesson discussion, and as you can see that students have already posted their queries over here, right? So in this way you can post your query, and our faculties, they will answer the query within 24 hours, right? Apart from that, every Wednesday at 8 a.m., we conduct the weekly mentors talk. So, as part of this mentors talk, you can get all your queries answered. So, whatever doubts you are having regarding the strategy part, regarding the preparation part, regarding the time management part, each and everything will be answered over here as part of this weekly mentors talk. So, that is another way. Apart from that, you can also contact to our support team, and they will connect you to the faculty you want to talk to, right? So, these are the ways in which you can always stay connected with us, right? In this manner, these are going to be the deliverables as far as your phase 2 live plus recorded crash course is concerned. So students, if you want to prepare in a wholesome manner for your NABARD grade A phase 2 examination, then you can check out this course on our website edutap.in. On this note, I'm ending this session here. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best.